So hi everyone, I am Kayyum and in this video we will going to learn that how to kill multiple sessions in Oracle database. So sometime if you could see that some blocking sessions are there in the DBs are running in the background, and because of them the DB having some problem like we cannot log in sometime because of the overload of the sessions on the database. So in that case we can simply do to kill those active sessions on the database. So for doing that we generally use select, then SID, then serial from v dollar session. Okay, so this is what we do for getting the SIDs and sessions of the active sessions. Okay, so you can see that we are getting SIDs and serials of the active sessions. So in this video what we will gonna do, we will going to select all these active sessions and kill them one by one, kill them automatically. Okay, so for that we will gonna do, so we will gonna use concatenation operator. Okay, we will gonna do concatenation operator. Okay, let me operator, which is vertical bar. Okay, so this is what we called it as concatenation operator. So because of the this we can combine two or more than two strings and get the output. Like I can say, show you that select India. Okay, is a country. Okay, is a country from dual. Okay, so you can see that we have concatenate all these strings. So in this way we can use concatenation operator for getting the string output. So now let me clear it once again. Okay, so let's see that how we're gonna do, select all the SIDs and serials of the active sessions and kill them automatically. So for that we can do select, let me show you, select, then alter system kill session, then concatenation operator. Here we're gonna do. Okay, so these two single quotes will be useful for getting the symbols. Like I want the round bracket, so I'm taking single quote and inside it I'm mentioning the round bracket. Same if you want to get a single quote, so for single quote we need to use four quotes. Okay, so because of this we can get a single quote. Okay, now inside it we will mention our SID. Done. Then again for single quote we will mention 4 times single quotes. Then here we want a comma, so for that we are getting this. Now again single quote, and we will mention our serial. Okay, we will mention our serial, then again single quote 4 times. Done. Then here we will close our round bracket, then again finally we will mention semicolon. Okay, so this is what we want, and because of this we can get multiple alter statements for each and every active sessions. So now finally we will mention our view from where we want the active sessions. Okay, so here, so you can see that we are getting multiple alter statements for each and every SID. So you can copy it and execute it, and it will gonna kill all the active sessions. Okay, so in this way we can use concatenation operator to get multiple outputs. So in this way we can do it.